Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2016 Buick LaCrosse Leather Group, stock number Z9761XX. Only 22,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report, sparkling silver metallic in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 4-year, 50,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You'll also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. It's a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating. It's in the large car class, seats 5, leather interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, forward collision alert, backup camera, and rear parking sensors. Nice sized trunk. The wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This leather group has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, oversized moonroof. Additional safety features like heads-up display so you can keep your eyes on the road. Large, easy-to-read gauges. That's also where you set the forward collision alert, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls. Large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones to Pandora radio app. Navigation. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those media devices. Large glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and power sunshade control. Under the hood, this LaCrosse has a 3.6 liter direct injection V6, 304 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 28 on the highway, and approximately 70% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.